Whether you're a business owner or a content creator, you need to have a content calendar. Welcome back to day 20 of 100 social media tips. If you are struggling to stay consistent with posting, you need to have a content calendar. A content calendar can help you plan, schedule, and organize your posts so you can be more consistent and save yourself time. Consistency is key to building a loyal audience. So if you want to post 3 times a week on Instagram, here's a schedule. And here's a schedule for posting 5, 7, and 14 times a week. If you want to post 3 times a week on TikTok, here's the schedule. And here's the schedule for posting 5, 7, 14, and even 21 times a week. Now, you might be thinking, I don't have any time to create all the content or come up with all these ideas. How can I post 3 times a day like some creators? Which brings us to how it saves you time. Instead of having to come up with a post last minute, everything can be planned out, which means you can effectively create high quality content. When you plan out that you are creating 7 posts a week, you can break down the different ideas or topic each post is going to be about. Your plan could look like this: Monday, story time; Tuesday, how-to educational; Wednesday, behind the scenes; Thursday, share something that worked for you; Friday, answering a common question within your niche; Saturday, recreating a meme or trend; and Sunday, day in my life. Each day, you're creating content surrounding your brand and business, but providing value in the content that you are creating and not just selling a product or service. Instead of getting frustrated trying to figure out what to post each time, creating a content calendar will make the process so much easier, and it will save you time, and planning it out in advance would make it less stressful. That's it. Like always, keep creating, keep experimenting, and I'll catch you in the next one.